right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that in for grade right there. That's that chicken noodle soup. Got some homemade cornbread up in there. You know, it was baked on the crispy side, anticipating some chicken broth. Couple of boiled egg half right there, and them chicken noodles. You know, it was in a can. You know, you add some water to it, ever how much you need. I'm gonna put some pepper. You know, some of that grind up stuff, and some of them that pink salt. You know, you grind it up in a coarse grind. I'm gonna put some on there. I'm gonna put some of that there ground up salt on there too, coarse. Yeah, that's gonna be good right there. So I'm talking about. Leave a comment. Sweet tea accomplishment, large glass, ice cubes. Just saying. You know, I'd classify it as some of that there countrified Asian food. You know what I mean? That's what I'm going for here. You know, some broth, that there cornbread, you know, them noodles, that egg there boiled. How about medium doneness? Uh, Turn that in for grade. Leave a comment.